Today I'm going to
show you the progress of putting in a new shed.
we're going to get a little tour.
Now I'm going to show you what the new garden shed looks like.
It's a garden shed.
And fun fact, the garden shed was in my advent calendar videos, so this is some footage from my advent calendar videos.
I will show you the inside. Will you look at that? Wow, this is the new garden shed. I will see you tomorrow and I'll leave you with this image of the garden shed.